The biggest uh, lesson I learned actually this was from mother niya, alam mo Joel, sa negosyo, trust is money. Kailangan may integrity ka. Which is a big surprise for us. Pero we had this idea na start small but dream big. If your business can survive 3 years, it can survive the next 5 years. It can survive another 5 years, it can survive 10 years.
Yeah.
Now we're 20 years, I hope it survives another 20 years.
Passion ko maging artista at passion ko rin yung pagkain. It was 23 years ago, no? Kasi sabi ko sa wife ko, I'm not getting any younger kasi yung shooting natin, puyatan. Sabi ko, baka hindi ko na kaya. And sabi ko, kailangan natin ng backup plan. At that time, we were having the 4M formulas, no? Masarap, mura, malinis, at kailangan masaya. Hindi yan laging nasa taas ka. So you have to put your feet on the ground. You really have to have a strong foundation. That's how I see it. Kahit anong mangyari sa'yo, hindi ka matitibag. Marami kaming dinaanan, marami kaming pagsubok, pero hindi ako bumitaw. If you work on a relationship, it's not about finding the right person, it's about making it right.
What are you like as a father?
Love your work because your work will love you back. Kung binibigay mo lahat sa trabaho mo, ibabalik yun sa'yo. So, hindi ka mauubusan ng trabaho. At saka, invest. Invest wisely.